Young Dizzle.
Hey y'all, it's Jimmy P and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, girl, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell button right next to it so if I want to upload all my videos. And of course, go follow me on all my social media at JIMIP_. Y'all know we lit on Instagram and Twitter, so make sure you go follow me on there. Alright y'all, so today I'm doing an I guess like a how I install my frontals or whatever, or my frontal wig or whatever. I am not arrogant today. I don't know what I'm doing. I just be going with the flow. And it be coming out cute and sometimes it don't. But y'all be feeling like it always come out cute, girl. So I decided to come on here and show y'all how I install my frontals or whatever. And of course it is All-Star weekend, so I really had to slay my hair for this weekend because I'm trying to find me a man. Okay? Period. So the hair that I'm wearing in this video is from Nadula Hair. They sent me a, I believe it's a 26-inch 13x4 Brazilian straight wig. Now listen, I'm not gonna lie, this is some really nice hair and it's super long. So yeah, I definitely love this wig. It's super soft, it's no kinks, it was no shedding. So yeah, I definitely love this wig. Y'all know I got a code for y'all because period, we need discounts on everything. The code is Nadula YTB3. So I'll put that on the screen and down below in the description box. Thank you, Nadula, for sending me this bomb wig, okay, period. I styled it, I laid it, and I slayed it, and girl, I'm about to go have fun this weekend. So check the description box down below. I'm gonna leave all the links and everything y'all need. So yeah, without further ado, let me stop rambling and let's just get into this hair, okay? Hey guys, so I'm about to put on my wig. Y'all already know how I get down. My braids look a hot mess. Again, y'all know I cannot braid when I got nails on, girl. But okay, we gonna do what we gotta do today. So I'm about to put on my wig cap. And as you can see, the wig cap is a little bit lighter than my actual face. So y'all already know what we gonna do. Or whatever. Ooh, you know, y'all know I don't do the stocking cap method. That's just not my thing because I like to take my wig off at night. And I just don't be, it just, girl, I just don't like it. So I like to just blend in this, and then when I put on my wig, it be looking flawless, okay? Alright y'all, so I almost forgot, before I go in, what I like to do is slick back all my baby hairs. So I don't know about y'all, but my baby hairs, they be touching my eyebrows sometimes. So just to protect them and just to get them out the way so that my lace can like lay perfectly, I like to go in with some edge control. I usually don't use Eco Styler for my edges because it curl right back up. I usually like to use something more thicker and like stiffer, I guess, but girl, that's all I got. Okay, so y'all see how like my baby hairs, usually they be, girl, they be motherfucking right down here and shit and be in the way. So I like to take some edge control and just take that on my edges, literally, and take that like this and just brush it up. Brush all of my edges up and out the way. Girl, so I found a brown stocking cap. So as y'all seen, I did go ahead and pluck the wig or whatever. But I did do some plucking. I did bleach the knots, girl. I accidentally left the bleach on my wig, girl, for like 5 hours. 5 hours with the bleach on my wig. So the roots of my wig were blonde. So I had to go to the store, get some black hair dye, and dye the freaking hair or whatever. So it's naturally like a 1B color, but I dyed it and now it's kind of like 1B / jet black. So yeah, I'm about to put this thing on my head and I'm gonna cut the lace off. So yeah, when I get back, y'all gonna see it on my head. But when you cutting the lace, literally just cut as close as possible to the hairline. Get as close as possible to the hairline, okay? You don't want no excess lace. I don't like excess lace, and that's just what make mine look a lot more natural, period. So I use Got To Be glue spray on my hair. You can use whatever glue you want to use. I know some people use the gummy glue and a whole bunch of other different type of glues that you can use for your frontals, but again, by the time the end of the night comes around, this stuff is lifting off of my head, which I like because I don't like to wear my wigs when I go to sleep. So I like to wear like this one because I know by the end of the night, girl, this thing is coming off. So if you are like me and you don't like to fall asleep with your wig on, I would prefer the Got To Be glue. But if you want something that's like going to last you like maybe like 3, 4, 5 days, you probably can go for like the gummy glue, or girl, I don't know what other kind of glues they got. I just use this. But yeah. So yeah, you use the blow dryer or whatever on the cool method or the cool button, whatever. Because with the Got To Be glue, and I think it's honestly any glue, heat, it makes it not work. You want it to be cool, which is the same reason why you don't use your fingertips to like press the wig down. You use a rat tail comb or anything that doesn't transfer heat, basically, because heat makes it not stick. Cool makes it like stick or whatever. So yeah. Alright y'all, so now that I have it laid on or whatever, I'm about to go in and make my baby hairs, because you know it ain't never right if the baby hairs ain't right and the baby hairs ain't done. So I like my baby hairs light. I don't like really like thick baby hairs or whatever. So I take this part right here or whatever, simply because when I do my baby hairs on my natural hairline, I do it just how I do it on my wig. So don't make hairlines that look like Jada's, if you know, because you want your baby hairs to look like Jada's. You match your baby hairs to how you would do your normal baby hairs on your hair. You get what I'm saying? Period. Because I be wanting my baby hairs to be like Sweetie's, because her baby hairs be fire, but it just doesn't look right on me. You know what I mean? It look right on her. So I like to do my baby hairs how I do my baby hairs on my real hair, and how it looks like, how, you know, it would look good on my face or whatever. So whenever I don't have this, I like to go in with any type of edge control. But normally if I have this, which is mousse, I like to go in with some mousse, girl. I like to go in with mousse to lay my baby hairs, because it's less crunchy, less stiff. It like lays perfect, and I just love it. So I went and I got some mousse. You can use any kind of mousse that you want to use. I have Elasta QP, it has olive oil and mango butter, but girl, it's mousse, okay? So yeah, I'm about to go in with some mousse and lay my baby hairs. Oh wait. And I also like to go in and cut my baby hairs, because whenever I want to do a swoop, if this is so long and it's in the way and I swoop it, my baby hairs mess up. And ain't nobody got time for that. So I like to go in and cut my baby hairs at an angle, okay? And then go in with some mousse. Girl, it's brand new, so do not judge the fact that this shit not coming out. Oh, it's finna mess my makeup up. Y'all, this hair is the bomb. I'm not gonna hold you. This hair is really bomb. Okay, so my hair was wet, so I had to go ahead and blow dry it or whatever, and now I'm running my fingers through it. Girl, this hair is so bomb. It's so bomb. And let alone that they sent me like really long length, and it's super thick. I hate wigs that are like really long and they get real thin. This wig is my girl. It's my bitch. I ain't even style it yet. All I did was do the baby hairs. Mind you, baby hairs, please, fleek. Don't ever play with me. I ain't the one or the two. Okay, period. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and style it. So I wanted to do crimps or whatever. My part is not straight, child. Why didn't y'all tell me my part wasn't straight? Alright, y'all, so I went to Sally's Beauty and I got some Gold and Hot Professional Triple Barrel Waver. I wanted to basically do some crimpers. So the crimpers that they had, they didn't have the ones that I wanted. So I just went ahead and got these ones because I felt like they would give me what I was more so looking for. So yeah, I'm about to style my hair and put some crimps in it or whatever. And we just gonna pray that it come out the way that I want it. Y'all, I literally, oh my god, just broke my nail. I'm so mad. I'm so mad. I'm about to go out. It's All-Star Weekend. I'm about to go out. And my nail is broken. And then it's bleeding. It's not even like it's just regular big chilling off. Like, no, my fingernail is bleeding. Alright, y'all, so now that I got everything laid and slayed or whatever, I'm about to go in with the mousse again. Mousse is top tier. Like, you need mousse for everything. So I would go ahead. Oh god, I don't like this mousse. It's watery as fuck. We don't do watery products, okay? But yeah, I'm gonna just take some mousse. Mousse is good for everything, so I recommend everybody getting mousse. You can do any and almost everything with some mousse, girl. But I just take the mousse and I get that to lay it flat. Okay. Like so. Boom. Okay. And now it went from puffy to flat at tat tat in 2 seconds. Okay. This is the I want to say a crimper, but I've never done this one before, so we are about to test it out. So this is the curl from the crimper or whatever. I need to go back up and do the top part again, but the hair itself feels so good, y'all. Like, this is some good hair, okay? So I'm about to go back up and hold it for a little bit longer. So this is kind of the crimp. Y'all let me know what you think. I like it. It's super cute. It's really, really cute. Real cute. I like this. Y'all let me know. But yeah, I'm about to do the rest of my hair and I will see y'all for the big reveal. So yeah, I'm about to go in now and I'm about to clean up my part to make it look, you know, more neat or whatever. So I just go in with some concealer, the slightest bit of concealer. You don't want to do too much concealer. So yeah, I go in with a little bit of concealer, and then I take a brush and I just brush it out. You can use your finger too, it's completely up to you. I'm gonna go with that same MAC Studio Fix powder and just set it. I'm literally just going through it and setting it like so. I'm about to go in with some black mascara and just touch up the roots or whatever. because sometimes when I do the concealer, it kind of gets on the roots, and this just brings the roots back to life, takes the concealer off of it, and just makes everything look perfect and seamless. Okay, all right y'all, so this is the final look. The waves or crimps, whatever it is, girl, they kind of fell, but I thought it was so freaking cute. This hair, y'all, this hair is really bomb. Like, I'm really feeling it. Like, it's really nice. And then just on top of that, it's super long and super thick. Like, y'all, I love this hair, I ain't even gonna lie. And it's just so soft. Like, it's so soft, it's literally soft. So yeah, I definitely love this wig. Thank you so much, Nadula, for sending me this gorgeous hair. Check the description box down below. I'm gonna leave the links to everything, and I'm gonna leave the freaking discount code for y'all too. Y'all know I don't play. We don't play when it comes to the slay. Okay, so yeah, this a unit, girl. This is a unit. Okay, thank you, Nadula, for sending me this wig. Thank y'all so much for watching this video, and of course, I love y'all, and I will see y'all in my next one.